Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I am excited. We're going to go pick up Spanky today from Orlando's shop. He knocked out the turbo kit for us. It looks absolutely badass. The thing is going to sound sick. The new motor, the new combination, everything's going to be badass. The turbo kit is killer. The welds are fucking Picasso. They're just awesome. The stainless hot side is a pretty normal thing, but we did the aluminum cold side and aluminum downpipe for the exhaust. So this motor should sound pretty freaking gnarly with that that new kit on there. And I think he even did a little bit of a bullhorn on the side. So Spanky's gonna have like a little bit of a flame shooter now. Hopefully this thing gets popping and banging, shooting flames, skeeting and yeeting. You know the deal. It's gonna be badass. Gonna go get the trailer now and go pick this thing up. Hope you guys are excited. This is like the first step. We have 6 weeks to get the car ready for Troy's race. It's gonna be extremely hard. Luckily, I got some good people on my side to help me out. Tyler with the 4-door and Mark with the teal Mustang. The video I just posted on Saturday. The car I want to call Pound Town, but he doesn't want to. But they are pretty damn mechanically inclined, and they're going to help me out with most of the stuff that we can do aside from Matt at Blacklist. Then it's obviously going to have to go to Matt to do the fuel cell, some oil lines, some things like that, some wiring, I believe. Maybe Mark might tackle the wiring and the injector driver, things like that. It's got to get done, changed for this new combination, being that it's on M1. But still gonna have to go to Matt for ride height, final tweaks, the whole deal, the hub dyno, get it all ready. But ideally, this 6 weeks is going to be pretty jam-packed with videos of Spanky. I know you guys have been missing the Spanky content. Trust me, I have too. It has almost been a year, and I haven't let go of the button, and it's driving me nuts. So I'm hoping to be done for Troy's race. Ideally, in this 6 weeks, if I can bang out all the stuff that we can do in 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks tops, and then give Matt some time to do some final touches, get it on the hub dyno, make sure there's no problems, because the hub dyno is a game changer. You can literally tune the car, run the car, see drive shaft speed, see converter curve, can see the whole deal, just like you're running it out the track aside from traction. But so you can literally, you know, build boost, launch the car with a tune-up in it, make sure there is no leaks, because we don't want any leaks or anything crazy bad happening. But if it does, it's going to be in the shop under its own power, me in a suit, and we're not going extremely fast down the track. So that's the idea behind the safety behind a hub dyno. If you guys need to dyno something, Blacklist Performance has that on standby in their shop. Give them a call on Facebook to book your appointment. But aside from that, super excited. I'd like to get the hub dyno and then maybe go test a week before the event just to make sure I even know how to drive. I don't even know if I know how to drive anymore, but hope you guys are excited. Let's get into this action. We're gonna go get the trailer, see if we see any craziness on the way, and go from there. Is the shop on fire?
No, the pallet was.
What the hell?
Take it off the red, put it back on.
Well, I could hit power.
This motherfucker's gonna blow up with all of us sitting here.
Boom. You man this.
Yeah, I'm
It says 18% is dead.
It says 81.
Oh.
Just launch it. Alright, go.
I don't know if I want to stand there. Oh! Yeah, so Oh my God, dude. Yanked the wheelie. Oh, this is comical. Spanky is being towed by a lawnmower. All right, guys. All right, guys. Here's the turbo kit from the underside. Super sick. The frickin' side bullhorn is epic. Got them TBM brakes on there too. You know the deal. Dude, he freaking killed it. Look at those welds. Shoot. Crispy. So now we got it over Tyler's house. We're gonna be doing everything underneath that we can do. Finish bolting up the TBM brakes, do the brake lines, put the drive shaft in. What else we gotta do? Transmission converter. You know, we got that Circle D going in there. What else we gotta do? I think Matt's gonna come over and help with the steering rack situation. I think I have to go to a Pinto rack because the old rack was smashing the pan, so that ain't gonna work. So we gotta do a little bit something different there. Got new UPR chromoly bars coming in, 1 inch shorter and probably 10 pounds lighter. What else we got? We got fuel tank, fuel pump. Oh, fuel tank, fuel pump's gonna get mounted on the snout here, snout style, right off the camshaft. I've got to run some oil lines back to the feeds. What else? Bunch of different things really gotta get done, but it is back. Freaking sick, super happy. Other than that, guys, we're gonna be just getting this car back together. I got brand new tires for the car to go with everything else. Tires, brakes, drive shafts, the whole deal. Inside, we're not really changing much. Some wiring and stuff like that's gonna get taken care of. I think we're gonna have to go to a longer steering column possibly to make this all work down here, because it's the front steering rack is gonna be way out here now, and I don't think it's gonna be long enough, so we gotta get a new one of those. And then other than that, it's she's a beast. It's a badass combination. Got that Ace Performance 427 in there, force inductions, big billet, turbo. It's coming together. Get this stuff wrapped up. The boys are gonna be helping me out, getting this stuff knocked out before Troy's race at the end of October. Other than that, I think we will be racing hopefully Troy's event end of October, and then we'll do Mod Nationals, and then I think there's Get It Off Your Chest or No Guts, No Glory, one of those in December in Orlando. We'll be taking care of that. I think it's December, first or second week of December. Christmas tree race, I might bring it there just to have, because we can't show times with the car still, so we can't be running a quarter mile with it either. Other than that, super happy with the car. Can't wait to get this thing fired up with this new combination, man. Hope you guys enjoy. Next video, we will be putting everything underneath the car together, slowly but surely. This 6 weeks is gonna be a bit of a challenge, but we're up for it. Catch you guys on the next clip.